Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this digital spoon scale from Silvercrest for precisely measuring small amounts up to 300 grams. Included battery with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. It's a convenient and precise tool designed to help you measure small quantities of ingredients with ease. It's perfect for anyone who requires accurate portion control, such as home cooks, bakers, or even those managing nutritional intake. Included we have the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. 2 3A batteries and the device. Here it is, the spoon, the display, the unit button, hold button, and the on-turn button. And at the back you can install the 2 batteries. Here we have this hook. The spoon attachment is detachable for easy cleaning, ensuring hygiene and preventing the mixing of ingredients between uses. It uses a high-precision sensor system for accurate readings, especially when measuring ingredients that require exact amounts, such as baking or cooking delicate dishes. And on. We can see the grams. Press the unit button for 2 seconds. Ounces. Press again. Grams. The digital spoon scale offers precise measurements ideal for weighting ingredients in small amounts like spices, herbs, powders and liquids. So I have the sugar. Press the on tape button, goes to 0. (156 grams). You can add individual measurements, maximum 300 grams. Press the S button. There is the S. It is the S unit button. Remove the material from the spoon. We have the measurement. And add the next portion of material to be weighted. And there it is, we have about 400 grams. The weight of the new material is now added to the previous weight on the display. And you can see the total weight. Just to be sure, let's test that. We can see it goes again to 156, 57, it was the weight of the sugar. Press the unit S button, 0 again. So let's measure only the salt. Correct, 258 plus the 156, it is about 411 grams. Nice. And of course again you can measure one ingredients here. Press the hold button. And now it will hold the measurement. 155. And to conserve battery life, the digital spoon scale includes an auto off function that turns the scale off after a period of inactivity. And of course you can add liquid. We can see here 15 to 45 ml or 1 to 3 tablespoons. Press this, goes to 0. There it is, the maximum. 0 again. You can measure sugar. 0. And if you empty the sugar, it goes to minus. And 0 again. The digital spoon scale is a practical addition to any kitchen, offering convenience and precision for measuring small quantities of ingredients. Whether you are a home chef, baker or someone keen on portion control, this scale ensures that you can follow recipes or manage dietary requirements with accuracy and ease. If you found this review useful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, tips and cooking hacks. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, happy cooking and stay precise!